I have so many issues, but I'm gonna try to solve one of them today. And that one is gonna be cable management. Typically, I'll either use zip ties or I'll use these that come in packages to like put the wires together, but there's two problems. One, I hate zip ties because you can't reuse them. And if you wanna like pull wires out or do any kind of managing, you gotta cut them, you gotta re-zip tie them, it's the whole thing. I hate that. And then these, do I even need to explain it? These just suck. So I went online and I found these large kind of TPU zip ties. They're reusable. They got these slots, they got multiple slots so you can slot them in and really lock it together. And again, they're reusable and they're gonna feel great, high quality with my Bamboo printer. So I already sliced the plate. I'm printing it in TPU. We can go ahead and print the plate. We gotta go to advanced options, turn off AMS, and then we're gonna load it up, and then we'll see if we can get that first layer down right. Just to be fun, I'm gonna use some white TPU filament. All loaded in now, let's go back to the slicer. In the slicer, this is great. We got our TPU in. Let's go ahead and send it to the printer. We're connected on the same LAN, so it should, once it just goes through all of these checks, well, I don't think it's really checks. I think it's just sending the print job, yeah, through the cloud servers. Oh, we moved up a little bit. Yeah, once it does that, then and communicate with the printer and all that, then we can go ahead and start printing. Also, I know these don't have to be on the same LAN to communicate. Isn't that awesome? They just have to be on some kind of LAN, or they just have to be on the WAN, the wide area network. So you can really be anywhere and do this. I've done it from my phone when I'm on mobile data, and it's just awesome to start a print. So you can see it, none of the information is available yet because it's still loading everything. Let's go ahead and press play. Now my printer is hooked up through Wi-Fi. It's not connected directly through Ethernet, so the connection can be a little bit slow sometimes, but usually it's pretty good. Now it's all connected, and this should only take an hour and 20 minutes to print. I'm super excited. I'll show you guys the first layer when it comes out.
So far, so good, little slave.
100%, it's done, and I put it on this guy, and it seems to be pretty good. It's got like a 2 latching thing in case you really want to latch it, and it seems fine. It's super thin, so these are so light, and it just totally holds this whole thing just by itself. That's great. I use it also for my drone right here to hold the battery in, and I got a bunch of them right here. So again, they're so thin, y'all. I'll have a link for these in the description below the like button. I did not make these, I just found them, and I think they're okay. They're not super strong though, and there's a little bit of play in here. So if you need these to wrap around super tightly, I have printed like other ones I've found, like this. Let me know if you found some better ones in the comments below. I like this, but it's a little bit too short. So yeah, let me know what you think of these and what you guys use. I just tried to double loop it on this HDMI cable, and it holds it actually really strong if you use both the loops. So make of that as you will. I like these. I like these a lot actually, and they have good length. Whoop, whoop. Very sturdy.